Welcome to the Arthur R. Marshall Loxahatchee National Wildlife Refuge. This is Nature Crafts with the Loxahatchee staff, and my name is Ranger Serena, and today we're going to be making toilet paper snowmen. It looks like this, and what you're going to need is you're going to need a toilet paper roll, hence the toilet paper snowman. You're going to need a piece of white paper that's the same exact length of your toilet paper roll, so you can roll it around. You're going to need some construction paper, any color you want, to make the scarf. So if you like purple, then you're going to get a purple piece of paper. You're going to want some orange or whatever color you want their nose to be. You're going to need some scissors, possibly some glue or some tape. And then on my little guy right here, I actually used a black marker to make his buttons and his eyes and his mouth. So that's what you need to do this craft with. And I always like to cover my craft space before I start. So I've got some brown paper set up right here. So again, what you're going to do is take the toilet paper roll. You're going to just roll your white piece of paper that covers it completely, roll it around, and I'm just going to, for easiness and sake of brevity, I'm going to go ahead and just tape the back of him so that he's taped like this. And then it's covered, completely covered. And then you're going to go ahead and what I ended up doing is I went ahead and I made his scarf next. And you can make it as, you can make the scarf go all double around him, or you can make a different color scarf, him or her. But I'm going to do it just like this. And I actually took a just a piece of tape, and I made a little round, or you can use glue, doesn't matter. And I went around my little snowman like this. And put a little piece of tape behind the one side to kind of make it crisscross, so he looked like he was like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and just kind of take and cut off a little extra, just like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw his actual buttons and his mouth on here and his eyes, just so I know where to place the nose. Okay, so his buttons are going to be, and you can make as many buttons as you want. I made 4 on this one, so we're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I made his mouth. And then I made his eyes. And you may decide that you want to make him have eyelashes. You could do that. And then I just took a little piece of tape, and I had already cut out my little nose, my little carrot nose. And I'm going to put this right on the back here, just a little piece of brown tape, and right here in the middle, and there you go, 2 little toilet paper snow people. So thanks a lot for joining us at the Arthur R. Marshall Loxahatchee National Wildlife Refuge. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.